Hello.
We're going to talk about the new channel and how it's going.
Yes. So currently we have 119 subscribers. So thank you very much. Yay. And we have 17 videos. I'm not sure how we got so many of them, but you know.
Well, I think we actually physically set up the channel, I think in December, didn't we?
Yeah. But I still didn't think I did 17 videos. But, you know, maybe we did, maybe we didn't. But.
Well, some of them were probably invitation videos. Some of them are just shout outs about the new channel. But we've only actually been putting serious videos up a little over a month. Right?
Yeah. So we'll put more. We've been having some issues, and we'll talk about that later on in our video.
In another video.
Yeah. So, and then we have, out of those videos that are posted, only one has 100 views. And I think we talked about, you know, once we got 100 views on
most of
them, we could start putting the new content on this channel. So we kind of were lacking there. I did want to say though, we did meet our goal for the subscribership. So we're doing so much better than my mom did in her first year.
I had 25 or 27 in one whole year. And Debbie has gotten one on the new channel.
Yeah, 119.
Yeah.
And I mean, it was a little lower because it started in December, people, you know, kind of trickling in. But I think that's awesome. I mean, so kudos to us for getting that. Well, kudos to Mom because she was really, you know, marketing the new channel on her old channel. But so we hit that goal right away. So we have 119 subscribers, like I said. And then our other goal was to, you know, get over 100 views on the videos that are currently on there so that we can start putting the content on this channel. So we're not even close, you guys.
Yeah, but I really think by the time we hit fall, if not sooner, we should have it running much better because we have Alice in Wonderland the whole month of April. We get a lot of people. We're going to be joining in a lot of challenges between now and fall. And that's really where you're going to pick up the numbers. Because I went from 250 people in 5 years, and 2.5 years later, I have over 3,000. And it was because I joined different, like home decor, and I joined in on challenges. I'm not even a home decor person or a tablescape person. And the first tablescape video I ever put up, I was actually shocked that everyone said, "Oh, how nice, how wonderful." I said, "Really?" I mean, it was all Dollar Tree stuff because I didn't have any dishes. I didn't hardly, well, I shouldn't say that. I had a couple of sets of dishes.
But not like something you would put on film.
Yeah. Well, so. I mean, I had that one set that I bought when you were selling Princess House, and it looks like brand new, but it's like 25 years old. And it's my favorite set of dishes. And so I do have that. And I do use it a lot in my shooting because it is beautiful.
And I have a lot of Princess House still.
Yeah.
But I don't. I'm trying not to use a lot of that because I'm sure people are like over it. But you know, I want to just include like little pieces here and there.
Yeah, but if people have never seen it, I mean,
maybe because it's old. I sold a long time ago.
Well, like I said, 25, 30 years ago. It's not new.
Yeah. So you know. They're all a lot of the stuff is retired. So.
And the pieces I have are just a beautiful setup. I mean, I loved it so much. I bought every piece they had almost for it. The only thing that I don't have anymore, I even had the canister set, but my husband complained about how much room it took up. I gave that to my granddaughter, but not because I didn't love it. It's because it just took up so much space. Mm-hmm. And I have a tiny house.
So I have participated in 4 challenges. Yesterday's challenge I did, I think it was the 4th one. So the challenges are doing well. I have one that did very well, and it was my Dollar Tree dollhouse transformation. And if you haven't seen that, you guys got to go and see it. Unfortunately, that's when I started having problems with the music, and my phone was not allowing me to upload videos at a great length. So I've now figured out why that happened, and I'm going to be sharing that with you. So I've got a lot of new things to share with you. But we'll also include that in a future video, because the whole thing is we're a community here. We want to help each other. So if I have a problem and I figure out a workaround, I want to share it with you, just as if you have a problem and you figured out how to get around it, you can share it with us. So future videos, I'm going to talk about why you couldn't put up long videos, and we still haven't figured out the music situation, but that's okay. But anyways, on the Dollar House transformation, I'm up to 462 views on that, and that was a collaboration. So collaborations do help, and it's nice to be able to collaborate with other creators. You learn a lot, you form that camaraderie, that friendship, and you just have that good communication with a community, and I like that. So I want to do more collaborations. I'm having a hard time figuring out when they come out, and like I told my mom this morning, I don't always see the invitation until it's later, and then I'm like, oh, I gotta hurry up, So
Well, I have the same problem. I some of them I do have. Some people I watch every day, and so that's how I see their invitations. And sometimes I'll miss a couple days, and in that couple days, that's when they might have mentioned something coming up. And
so I don't know if there's some kind of community board where you can put these
you have
announcements.
They have it on their channel, but not everyone does it. I don't do it on mine because I'm so limited on what I know how to do. And once I stop working, I do have a lot of grandkids that are smarter than me, as all grandkids are. And I'm sure I can drive over and spend some time with them and take my tablet with me, and they can show me how to work. It's not that hard for them. Even if they don't know, they figure it out.
Yeah.
I had one of my grandsons, he didn't even know what I was talking about, what the problem was. I'm not exaggerating. He fixed it in like 30 seconds to a minute. He didn't even know what I was talking about, and he still fixed it. That's very, very disheartening to someone like me.
But, I not to say anything negative, but I am a little bit more understanding of technology than my mom. But I'm still not as with the times as my kids and my nieces and that. So I can figure it out. It just takes me a little bit longer. And sometimes I don't have that time to research. So I think if we can have some kind of forum where we can all, talk about, this is my struggle, this is what I need to figure out, and if somebody has the answer, that'd be great. So I don't know if that's something
we could do something like that once a month if you want.
Yeah, I think we need to, because I'm seeing so many challenges, and it gets frustrating. If I'm frustrated, there's other people who are frustrated, and you feel like, well, why do I even want to do this? It's not even worth my time and effort if I have all these roadblocks. So if we can figure out a way to, like I said, have like a little forum to talk about these issues and how we can overcome them, so everybody can learn and everybody can be successful, then we should do that, you guys. So let's try to figure that out.
If we could figure out how to do, what is it called now?
A live.
I think that would even be the best way to do that kind of a thing, because then we can communicate right one-on-one at the same time. And we can mention maybe monthly, or because I don't want to do it more than once a month, because I feel like I'd be overwhelmed with too much information. No, I only
Well,
can do
yeah,
it
but
time.
I don't think live for us is the thing, because I don't have the answers. It needs to be somebody who has the answers.
No, I'm not saying we're going to have the answers.
Oh.
We're going to have a live and talk about what we're struggling with.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
And have everyone tell us how to resolve the problem, or they can tell us what they're having a problem with, and we can throw it out there into the YouTube universe. And we have wonderful friends that follow my channel. Really, I do. I mean, I have 3,000 followers. And I'm not saying 3,000 follow me, but there's at least a couple thousand that follow me consistently, that are wonderful and so kind. But you never know what you know, and you don't even think you knew. I did a video on voiceover. I didn't even know what it was called. I was calling it something totally different. That's how stupid I am. And I was amazed. There were people so much smarter than me. They said, oh, I didn't know how to do that. And I said, how could you not know how to do that? I mean, I'm so limited. And the only reason why I learned how to do it on my own, like you said, is that my house never is quiet. I had to do a voiceover before I could put a video up without TV noises, dog noises, and grandpa noises.
And here I have all this traffic noise, and my house is not even next to the street. So it's like, and it's so funny. It'll be quiet, and then all of a sudden, as soon as I start filming, all these cars, I'm like, oh my gosh.
Yeah, but
I don't like voiceovers only because I feel stressed. Like I'm trying to watch the video and hurry and talk, and I don't know how many times I've messed up. So I prefer just to shoot the video as is. But I know sometimes it's just not.
Well,
it's not possible.
I do the best I can. Well, I guess we should stop talking because, Grandma will just keep talking.
So anyways, that's our update on our channel. We have, like I said, our goal is to get these videos that we're putting up to get to 100 views. Views, likes, comments, whatever, because we really want to keep putting all the content here versus having it in two different places. So we really want to get this home decor and all of the tablescapes on this channel. So if you have a little bit of time to
we should say we want it on the new channel because we're probably putting this video up on the old channel.
Yeah. Go to Blossom Your Creativity, and if you can spare a little bit of time, watch some of the videos so that we can get 100 views on each of those videos, so that we can go ahead and start moving the content over, or putting the new content over.
And we will have content on both of them, but eventually all of the DIYs and home decor will be on the new channel.
Yeah.
Because, Grandma has her channel so messed up, it's never going to get better.
So remember, go on over to Blossom Your Creativity. If you're not already subscribing, please do so. It's going to help grow that channel. And if you're already subscribing, thank you so much. We really appreciate it. And I know there is quite a few that come every day, and they leave wonderful comments. And I just want to say thank you, because we notice you, we see you, and we really appreciate you.